giving one bombi per person. Because I want everyone to have bombis. I want every child to have bombi. I don't have much bombis today. Give me the money. Okay. Hey, where are you going? Come take your bombi. Yeah. Okay, I'm coming. Hi. Do you know that I said one bombi per person, eh? Okay, so give me the money. Okay, yeah. When didn't I say you? Come here. Come here.
That's not see me.
Why are you cheating me?
Because I want the many bombi. That's I want.